And turning to our weather now across southwest Florida, we start with a live look now from the Bayfront in downtown Naples. Something we haven't seen much of at all. More cloud cover and some showers right now pushing through Collier County. And considering Collier County is the driest county in the state, any amount of rainfall in the rain gauge is a good thing, especially considering that high fire danger. Right now in Naples, we're at 81 degrees. Look at that sticky dew point in the low 70s. So we're still on the soupy side of a weak cold front that's currently coming through. Tomorrow's dew points will be much lower. So right now that feels like temperature sitting at 85 degrees. Winds currently out of the northwest around 9 miles per hour. Speaking of heat, look at this. Punta Gorda set a new record of 90 degrees, breaking the former record of 89 set back in 1945. Naples, we hit 86, not quite in record territory. In Fort Myers, it was the third straight day of 90s, but not quite hitting that record. The last couple of days, though, in Fort Myers, we have set new records. So here's a closer look now at that little front that's slowly working its way through. If you're wondering why it's called a backdoor cold front, it's because it's coming in the opposite direction. Most of our fronts come in from this direction, but instead, this one is coming in from the north and east. So opposite direction. That will continue to sag toward the southwest as we continue through this evening. Meanwhile, we're going to have a couple of rain showers in the mix through the next couple of hours. Right now, one of those showers over Cypress Lake down toward Fort Myers Beach, Estero Islands. Going to be seeing some of that rainfall, already is. Bonita Springs also seeing some of that rainfall as well, stretching down to Little and Big Hickory. Farther toward the south, notice this shower that was over Lely Resort now tapering here, but pushing down toward Marco Island. Some good news about these showers. They aren't exactly very high up in the atmosphere. That's why most of these showers are just that, not producing any lightning strikes as of right now. Of course, we'll continue to monitor that very closely here at Fox 4. So in the wake of that little front, it's going to be hot and dry tomorrow. And then we'll have yet another front come through, a front that's going to be passing through on Saturday. So that could bring us a few showers and storms late in the day on Friday into Saturday. Then a much stronger front arrives early next week. So this front on Monday will not only bring us a much bigger opportunity for scattered rain. We're looking at anywhere probabilities 40 to 60% and going up. But behind this front on Monday, we're going to be dropping those highs into the 70s looking ahead to your Tuesday and Wednesday. So next week expected to be much, much cooler compared to what we're experiencing right now. Meanwhile, with this little front coming through as we speak right here at 8 p.m., staying pretty active here on radar. But then by 11 o'clock, things are quieting down, partly cloudy skies overnight. And then looking ahead to tomorrow, winds generally out of the east and northeast. Lots of sunshine on the way for tomorrow. Temperatures staying warm, however, in the mid-80s. We're looking for a high around 86 degrees or so. Winds out of the east, 10 to 15 miles per hour. And then again, we'll see that other opportunity. Isolated rain Friday night into your Saturday. And then that bigger chance on Monday, followed by quite the cool down.